In this video, I will show you how you can find company websites from their company names using datablist.com. If you don't know Datablist yet, Datablist is an easy to use yet powerful AI platform to automate data sourcing, enrichment, and cleaning workflows. So with that being said, let me open Datablist and show you how it works. So first I click here on Open Datablist, and then it takes me into my collection where I already have some company names prepared, and then I click here on Enrich and go to companies and choose here the find company domains from company names enrichment. Then I select here a workflow. This enrichment has three workflows. The first workflow uses the company dataset plus fallback on Google if it doesn't find the right website in the dataset. The second workflow uses only the dataset, and the third workflow uses only Google. So I will just run the company dataset with fallback on Google, and then I have to select here the target country. I will just select here United States, scroll down, and now map my input property. So I will just select here the company name because I only have the company name, and then I click here on continue to outputs configuration, and this enrichment gives me two outputs. So first is the company domain and the second is the company URL. I will choose both and click on instant run. Then I click on run enrichment on all items, and this takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to complete. So I will just now click on pause, and once it's finished, I will be back. Okay, as you can see, it found us a lot of domains. So we got 1, 2, 3, we got 26 out of 29, which is about 90%. It's good. So I would say that this was successful. So if you have any questions about this workflow or any other workflow that you want to run on Datablist, leave me a comment below and I will reply to your comment or even do a complete video explaining your question. Okay, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.